Hi guys, Ivan from Watson's Leisure Centre and Camping World in Coffs Harbour. Today I'm going to show you really quickly how you can change your outside handle on your Camec door. Separate it first, lift your handle up, they'll come apart. That door can go back because you're not going to use it. Now you do have 3 screws in here, there's one actually hidden behind the lock. If you push this little button in here, you can lock your door, and there's your hidden screw behind there. Alright, so undo those, keep this in place because it is messed with gears, and I'll show you how that goes. And then the outside will just come off. So if you keep that together, it'll keep all those gears in place. If you've got someone to help you, they can actually hold that so it doesn't fall apart. But your handle here is what we'll pull out. You do have to pull this mechanism off. Just like that. The old handle will come out. Just like that. Your new Camec handle. They do have a little spring in there. That'll go down in through there, back inside. Get your mechanism back here. Clips all back in. And then you just line this up, go back together, do up your screws. Then we can unlock it. We're all good to go.